Hello. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find the LCM and the LCD. To start off, you'll be finding the LCM. Our first problem consists of 12c and 6c squared d. The first part is to simplify 12c into different parts. So you can simplify the 4 times 3 into 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times c. And then you can simplify 6c squared d to 2 times 3 times c squared times d. Then you take the greatest values of these numbers. So instead of choosing 2, you would choose 2 squared. And then because there's two threes, you just choose one of the threes. And then because there's c squared, you choose this over the normal c. Then you choose d. The LCM would be the multiplicative of all of these factors, which gives us 12c squared d. Our second problem for LCM is 18a3 bc squared and 24b squared and c squared. We first start with 18a to the power of 3 bc squared, which gives us 3 squared times 2 times a to the power of 3 times b times c squared. Then we do 24b squared c squared, which gives us 2 cubed times 3 times b squared times c squared. For 3, our LCM is 3, 2. For 2, our LCM is 2, 3. For A, our LCM is A3. For B, our LCM is B2. And for C, our LCM is C2. So this gives us 2 cubed times 3 squared times A cubed times B squared times C squared, which gives us 72a cubed b squared c squared for our LCM. Then we'll find the least common denominator. The LCD will be used by simplifying. In the LCD will not be the final answer, but will help us simplify it into one fraction. So the LCD for this is x times y, because x is in the denominator and y is in the denominator. So if we move the y to this side, because there's no y on the 3x, this gives us 3y divided by xy plus 5x divided by xy, which gives us 3y plus 5x divided by xy. Then our next problem is n divided by n minus 3 plus 2n plus 2 divided by n squared minus 2n minus 3. A's here represent the flow of the equation, which will help us do this problem easier. So if we factor everything out first, we have n divided by n minus 3 in parentheses. Putting them in parentheses is a crucial step so that you don't mess it up if there is a minus symbol instead of a plus symbol. This gives us 2 times n plus 1 and n minus 3 and n plus 1. This equals n divided by n minus 3 plus 2 divided by n minus 3, because you can simplify n plus 1 and n plus 1 out. Then this will equal n plus 2 divided by n minus 3. In this problem, no LCD is required. For the next problem, 3 divided by y squared plus y minus 12 plus 2 divided by y squared plus 6y plus 8 equals e, which moves again to the flow. And this will give us 3 divided by y plus 4, y minus 3, plus 2 divided by y plus 4, and y plus 2. The LCD for this, though, is y plus 4, y minus 3, and y plus 2, because we take the biggest values of each factor. So this gives us 3y plus 2, y plus 4, y minus 3, y plus 2, plus 2y minus 3, y plus 4, y minus 3, and y plus 2. This gives us 5y, y plus 4, y minus 3, and y plus 2. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.